blast into the sun. Go, go, we're ready for a dance. We're ready for adventure. Raise your puppetries, howl at the moon tonight. Side by side, we're shining bright together. Go, 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 everything's gonna be alright.
Good morning, it's another Monday morning, and today we're gonna do another cut on this painting. I know, but we're gonna have to do the cut again. Yeah. So we're back for part 3, you guys. Alright guys, so the clock is gonna take a while, so yeah. And I thought it was finished and I don't get it. I really don't. Me and Lisa, we worked so hard on that project. Alright guys, so now we're gonna paint it all over again. I'm recording another vlog at the moment. I can't see Rocky now.
Sorry?
I can't see Rocky.
Yeah, it's in there. But I just cover
Yeah.
it so we can't put the color on it. Okay?
Yeah, no.
I will remove the tape when
Yeah.
the paint is dry.
Oh, that's why. So that's why I can just try to paint all over the tape. And then make it better. Oh.
Done. It should dry.
Now you can see the Rocky. Sorry guys, I don't know what happened. So, as you can see, the paint was nearly all dry. You can still see it. I can still see it. Alright, it's all dry.
This is the doggy, okay?
Yeah.
Okay?
So,
If I remove the tape, then you can see it.
yeah.
I'm not going to remove it yet because I'm asking them if we need.
So as you can see the wood about this guys. So we're gonna wait. Alright guys, just gonna paint it cover. Come back guys. Here he is. Alright guys, we're gonna take a couple more minutes.
You can see now?
Yeah,
Happy?
it looks pretty good. Do you think guys, leave a comment down below? I'll show you. So here he is. Look at him. He looks fantastic.
You like it?
Amazing. My viewers are gonna love this. This is the Rocky. All painted. Perfect. So, and now the Rocky dolphins. Wow, and it looks painted so well. Anyway guys, that's what I'm gonna say about this video. Please leave a comment down below. We have to wait until next week to revolve. So anyway guys, thank you all for watching, and share a link and comment if you like this painting, and leave a comment down below. It's not a good idea But anyway, thank you all for watching and we'll see you next time. This is content creator Taneasha saying goodbye everybody. Paw Patrol on the road, content creator Taneasha. Bye guys. Alright guys, so here's my project. As you can see, we are measuring up on the clock. So that's what we're doing. Alright, we picked these numbers, they're so big, so we're gonna finish it off on. Alright guys, we'll see you then. Bye guys. So he's throwing the
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah.
that's what he's doing.
So here we're chopping away some of the wood for the clock so that the clock motor will fit in the back for Taneasha's clock.
Around the clock. Well, my clock.
That we've nearly finished, haven't we,
So
Taneasha?
we're nearly finished.
So now that we've chiseled away some of the wood for where the motor will go.
Now we're throwing away some pieces of wood.
Now we've got the motor in.
We have the clock all done. So we're gonna finish next week, you guys.
We'll be finished next week.
Anyway guys, that's what I'm gonna say about this video. If you like this video, give the video a like and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching and we'll see you next time. This is content creator Taneasha saying goodbye everybody. Paw Patrol on the road, content creator Taneasha. Bye guys.
Bye.
Alright guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below and share with your friends and get notified for my next video. That's it for today. This is Taneasha saying goodbye everybody. Paw Patrol on the road, content creator Taneasha. Bye guys.